I am Naveen C. Shah from Vadodara, Pashabai Park. I had been admitted after my severe pain in the right knee, and the reference has been given to myself went to the Baroda Heart Institute for my sweating in the midnight. Then after I met to the medicines, Dr. Anisha has been given me treatment, and I say I have a pain severe. So I visited the, she given me reference Dr. 𝐒𝐮𝐫𝐢𝐜𝐤, and then I visited to him. After that I found it pain was increasingly slowly. Then doctor suggested to bring MRI of knee as well as the X-ray. He given me an idea that when you get severe pain and I cannot bear it, that time you visited to again and we will make immediately admitting to you. So I visited second time in month of March, and he told me, Naveen bhai, you have to admit and to resent surgery because of the knee is going to be replaced. Finally, they admitted immediately. Thanks God that Tricolor is giving good service without delaying of my pain, and I appreciate to him. One more thing, he made me immediately admitted, and next day he make me OT operation, making knee replacement, and within 2 hours he has been completed my operation. After next day I was started to walking. I'm surprisingly that Dr. 𝐒𝐮𝐫𝐢𝐜𝐤 has been given a good service, good operating medically, and the staff of this one hospital, excellent I can say. They, even the ward boy also, even the nurse, even the physiotherapist, those who are consulting, giving me very patiently, and the next day they started me to walk on the steps, and really after walking steps I got completely okay, and I decided to discharge me in the 16th March 2024. Thank you to all Tricolor and the Baroda Heart Institute. They given me a good service. Thanks to Dr. Anisha as well as Dr. 𝐒𝐮𝐫𝐢𝐜𝐤. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.